Hey guys, it's Kimberly Crawford here. Wanted to make a quick video as far as like retargeting, right? So as we know, Press One Cash is a system that is a system for leads. I'm trying to bring this up because I don't want to have to keep using my blur button there. All right, so as you can see here, all right, as we know, right? All these people who call your line, when they press one, right, your website is instantly text to their phone. We know that, right? We're good to go on that, clear on that. All right, so everyone who has pressed one has expressed some type of interest. They've heard the message, whether it's the automated message that comes with the Press One site or you have customized a message. They have heard a message that is prompting them to press one, right? So they press one, right? So all the people here who have pressed one. All right, so how do you retarget those people? Because everyone didn't create an account, right? You didn't sell all those people, but now all the people who press one have now become a lead, right? So how do you capitalize on the people who have pressed one? What I did, I downloaded the file, and I'm going to show you. All right, I downloaded the file, download CSV file. Of course, you never clear it. You want to keep all that information, right? I download the CSV file, and then all the people who have pressed one pops up. Let me just open that spreadsheet here, right? So all the people who have pressed one, all the people who have hung up, it downloads the entire file, right? As you can see, let me scroll down here. We have, let's see, a lot of people here. Let's see, 579 people in total, right? Everyone didn't press one. All right, so all we need to do is basically all the people that have pressed one. These are people who have given, when you press one, you have given us permission, right, to be contacted, to hit your cell phone. So they have some sort of interest, right? Maybe they didn't sign up right away, but they have an interest in what you have to offer. All you have to do now, right, is all the ones that have pressed one. I'm not an Excel expert, so I have my assistant help me with this. But everyone who has pressed one, you want to grab their information, their numbers, everyone who has pressed one. And those are your leads, right? Those are people who have expressed some type of interest in what you have. So not only do you have people that have created accounts, maybe they haven't paid, but now you have, right? Now you have a way to go back and communicate with those people, right? It's way better than just having a email list. You have phone numbers, guys, and a phone call or a text message goes a way more longer way than just the average email. I can proof of that, right? People they may not answer the phone, but they'll answer a text message, right? So now you have their information. They press one, you download the CSV file. Now you're set up for retargeting. Now you can retarget those people, right? Because now you have their information. Okay, so I'm all over the place today, guys, but now you have their information. Let's bring up the website. All right, so you can do a couple things. You can go to, this is what I think I'm going to do in a little bit. You can go to Fiverr, however you want to pronounce it, right? You can hire a telemarketer, guys, for like $5, $20. Have them call your people that press one, right? Because again, they express some interest. Have them call them up and see if they're interested in moving forward. That's outsourcing. You don't have to worry about you doing that. I don't really have time. I don't have time to do that. But that just shows you how many different ways. So I talked to a lady today. She's interested in coming aboard. She does credit repair, right? So if she is marketing her phone number, she get people to opt in. They press one, right? Maybe they didn't sign up with the company, right? But now she has their number. She can now have a telemarketer or text them and say, hey, I see you, you wanted more information on credit assistance, credit repair, and making more money. Guys, now she has their information. You can communicate with them. So even if they did not create an account on your Press One site, even if they didn't join the company yet, being that they press one shows that they have some type of interest, right, in what you have to offer, which makes it very good because now you're weeding people out. You're weeding out the tire kickers, right? You're only talking to people who've expressed interest. That's who you want to talk to, especially if you're making calls or if you have someone making calls. You want hot leads. All right. So again, you just go to your back office, you download that file, and then you can communicate with those people, guys. Like I said, you can go to Fiverr, you can hire a telemarketer, you can go to another company called Text Free, and you can text message people. That's an ad. You can text message people, but at the end of the day, the bottom line is there are so many ways to use this system to get new leads and to retarget, guys. So I will see you. I will see you on the next. I will see you on the next video. If you have any questions, get with me. If you're ready to get started, guys, this is one of the hottest marketing systems for 2019. There's so many ways that you can grow your business with it. Like I said, you can make money selling your core business and also make money selling the system itself, right? So there's money to be made with this system, but I wanted to make a video as far as how you can capitalize on those people who simply press one, right? They didn't do anything. They just pressed one. Your website went to their phone, but they did not take action. You can go to Fiverr, grab you a telemarketer for cheap, and have them people call your leads while you're still continuing to market. So now you have follow-ups with the old leads, and you have new leads coming in, guys, and that's going to give you results, and that's going to give you sales. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. That was just an idea that you can use with Press One Cash System. Like I said, if you have any questions, get with me. If you want to get started, get with me, and I'll help you through the process. Take care. Bye-bye.